This one just came in between both of them, right? And just landed on the top. Wow! Wow! This one just came landed on the top of the thing and said, you know what? Enough pussyfooting around us. I'm going for the gold. Oh my God, that one was just bold. Just came and landed right there. I was like, all right. I'm going to get in between this lover's quarrel. I'm going to get in between this lover's quarrel. And I'm just going to help myself. Oh, now she's eating. Oh, you let her eat? Better than that other person coming in between. Wouldn't you rather just work together? Yeah. Whoop. 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 Come on, you guys. Be nice. Before somebody comes in the middle again.